Good morning. In this lecture, we'll learn Cartesian product of sets. Before understanding Cartesian product, first understand the concept of ordered pairs. An ordered pair AB is a set A, AB. So for example, suppose the ordered pair 1, 2 is equal to set 1, 1, 2. Ordered pair 2, 1 is equal to set 2, 2, 1. If we plot this on a graph, then we can see 1, 2 and 2, 1. These are the different dots. So ordered pair 1, 2 is not equal to ordered pair 2, 1. So coming to the concept of Cartesian product of two sets. Given two sets A and B, the Cartesian product A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs A, B, where A is in A and B is in set B. So formally, A Cartesian product B is equal to AB ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So ordered pair means ordering is important. The ordered pair 1, 2 is not equal to ordered pair 2, 1. For example, the Cartesian product of set A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to ABC. So Cartesian product of A cross B is equal to ordered pair A, B. A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. So the answer of A Cartesian product B is equal to 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C. The Cartesian product of B cross A is equal to ordered pair B, A such that B belongs to set B and A belongs to set A. So the answer will be A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Let's understand second example. If A is equal to alpha beta and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, what are A cross B, B cross A cross A, B cross B and A cross B intersection B cross A? So A cross B will be alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. B cross A will be 1 alpha, 1 beta, 2 alpha, 2 beta, 3 alpha, 3 beta. A cross A, it means Cartesian product of set A with itself. So the answer will be alpha alpha, alpha beta, beta alpha, beta beta. The Cartesian product of B cross B, that is the Cartesian product of B with itself, will be 1 1 1 2 1 3, 2 1 2 2 2 3, 3 1 3 2 3 3. So A cross B intersection B cross A, if we see the answer of A cross B and B cross A, there is nothing common in between these two. So the answer of A cross B intersection B cross A is 5, that is empty set. Second example, if A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, what are A cross B and B cross A? If we take a Cartesian product of empty set with any set, then the answer is always empty set. So the answer of A Cartesian product B and B Cartesian product A is empty set, that is 5. If A has n element and B has m, then A cross B has n m elements. So fact to remember, if cardinality of A is n and cardinality of B is m, then the cardinality of A cross B is m into n. The cardinality of A1 cross A2 cross up to AK is equal to cardinality of A1 into cardinality of A2 into cardinality of till AK. The Cartesian product of more than two sets. So A cross B, this is suppose one set and C is the another set. So Cartesian product of AB cross C is equal to ordered pair AB comma C, where ordered pair AB belongs to A cross B and C belongs to C. That is equal to ABC such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B and C belongs to C. Suppose A is a one set and B cross C is the another set, then A Cartesian product B cross C is equal to A comma ordered pair BC such that A belongs to A and B belongs to C. Ordered pair BC belongs to B cross C. So here A cross B cross C is not equal to A Cartesian product B cross C. The definition can be generalized to any number of sets. For example, A1 Cartesian product A2 Cartesian product A3 till An is equal to A1 comma A2 comma till An. So these are the ordered pairs such that AI belongs to set AI, where I is from 1 to n. Thank you.